It is 2 days before Christmas. So I want to do a holiday themed, Christmas themed vase pour. Maybe this one? Yeah, I think I'm going to go with one of these. I don't have any fancy. I mean, this one's kind of cool. I'm going to go with this one though. Cheap one. Dollar store. So I need red, green. I'm gonna have to mix my own green, I think. I've got this one that looks perfect, but then it dries and it looks like hunter green, like camouflage. I might be able to mix some white into this maybe. I'll see about that. And the rest of my green isn't really green. Also don't have a red. Oh, wait. I have a red. Close enough. That might need some white in it. It's a little dark. Red and green. Extreme glitter silver. Those three colors. Or should I add some white? I'm almost out of white though. No white. I'm going to go with these three. Use the white to mix and lighten these two up. And hope that doesn't turn into camouflage green. It is after Christmas. And I've been trying to fix this chair here. But it's given me a bunch of issues. None of it will stay together. I'll clamp here, glue and clamp here, and then this one will pop apart. So I don't know if this is fixable for me. So I tried clamping as many sides as I could. These are all the clamps I have that would fit this. I'm going to try it all at once. See if it works. If not, then I guess I could try taking the thing apart and fixing it that way. But that was going to be my video for this week. So I decided that I am going to turn these legs into something cool. Some candlesticks probably. But I got to cut them down and figure out how to make them stable because you don't want wobbly candlesticks with a lit candle on top of it. So I got to figure out how to make them stable and look okay. Well, I just turned those legs into candlesticks and they look pretty cool. I only have tea lights right now, so that's what's in it. But I want to be able to put some bigger candles in it. They can't be too big because it's not a lot of space there, but they're still pretty cool. I want to possibly be able to do 2 candles, drill a smaller hole there so we can put one of those tall skinny ones in each one of these, so you can have either a big candle, chunkier candle, or those tall skinny ones. But I'll have to go buy some candles first and get some measurements before I do that so I don't ruin them. Also, I made 4 candlesticks because I have 4 table legs, but I like the look of 3 together. And this one doesn't look that cool because of the top. I like those 3. So those are the 3 that'll stay together. Maybe stay in our house. I don't know. I kind of like them. Now that I got those candlesticks done, that's my video for this week. But there really wasn't much to it. I made a couple of cuts, sanded a little bit, and then drilled a hole in the table leg. That was it. But that's what I got. So that's what I'm going to use. I've got to figure out something else to do now. I'm thinking I'm going to start hacking away at those sticks. We'll see. It's so tedious. I don't want to do it. But this vlog's gonna be pretty short, I assume, because of Christmas and being busy over the holidays. We didn't do a whole lot of recording. I'm pretty stuck with stuff to do because I don't have everything to complete any one project. Like, we're all out of stripper. I gotta go buy stripper. We don't have any MDF because we're gonna turn this dresser right here into a TV stand, and the piece of wood on top of it I need to order legs for. But because of Christmas, I don't have a ton of money. So I gotta save some money, get some things, and then maybe next week we can get a couple of projects finished. Or at least close to finished. So that's the end of this vlog. I'm gonna cut it here, edit and get it posted. Next week hopefully we get a lot of stuff done, so we'll see. But that's it. Thanks for watching.